Hello guys, I am back again with another video on this channel, Not Really Tech. This time we are going to talk about Hacktoberfest, a month-long celebration to open source software run by DigitalOcean, and it is open for everyone in the global community. Also, you can win a free limited edition t-shirt by completing the challenge. So just stick to this video, and I will tell you how. Let's dive into it. So, this is the landing page of the official Hacktoberfest website. And it is showing as coming soon. So Hacktoberfest encourages participation in open source community, which grows bigger every year. Complete this year's challenge and earn a limited edition t-shirt. You can drop your email in this box to get informed when the registration opens. I will drop the link to the Hacktoberfest website in the description below. So check it out. By the way, Hacktoberfest is open for everybody, and DigitalOcean has made this video to encourage the participation. Let's check this video out.
It's October already.
It's a Hacktoberfest.
And if you don't know what Hacktoberfest is,
it's a celebration.
And it's an open source.
Hacktoberfest is a month-long celebration of open source software
Created by DigitalOcean.
It's changing the world one pull request at a time.
You can be a developer, designer, or even a content writer.
In short, you do open source contributions and you get lots of swag.
That's swag bag. This is so amazing.
Look what I got. Yeah.
A Hacktoberfest t-shirt, guys.
I would like to thank DigitalOcean for sending me this t-shirt because I was participating in Hacktoberfest.
So join us for this year's celebration of open source software at hacktoberfest.com.
Let's get hacking.
All you have to do to complete the challenge is log in with GitHub and make 4 quality pull requests to any open source project or repository. By the way, these are the statistics of the Hacktoberfest 2019, number of challenge completions, number of pull requests opened, and number of participating repositories. Coming back to the point, after making the pull request, you have to wait for your pull request to be reviewed by the maintainers. After your pull request gets approved or merged, voila, you have successfully participated in the Hacktoberfest 2020 challenge. By the way, you can also join the official Hacktoberfest's Discord server and engage with the community. To know how to make a pull request, subscribe to this channel. I will drop a new video very soon to teach you all how to make a quality pull request on an open source project or repository on GitHub. So till then, please subscribe if you have not already, like this video and share with your friends. I will upload the new video very soon. Thank you. By the way, keep an eye on this timer. The time on this timer shows how much time is remaining for kicking off Hacktoberfest Challenge 2020. Tada!